Okay, number 9 on 1.6, we're asked to solve an equation right here. K to the 3/2 power is equal to 27. And I'm looking at it, it doesn't say in the directions to solve without a calculator, but pretty clearly I think this is one that they want us to, and I'll get to why in a second. Okay, so we've got a variable raised to the 3/2 power. It's that exponent that we have to get rid of. So what we're going to do then is take this left side to a power that is the reciprocal of that 3/2 right there. So I'm going to take this left side to the 2/3 power and do the same thing here to the right as well. Now the reason we do that is because when you're taking a power of a power, that's when we multiply these two exponents together. And any number times its reciprocal is just going to be 1. So this left side is now k to the first power, which is just plain k. Now on the right side, we've got to take 27 to the 2/3 power. And the way to do that is to remember that every fractional exponent can be rewritten with a radical. Now that 27 becomes your radicand, that stays right there. And then the denominator of this fractional exponent, the 3, becomes the index of your radical, and the numerator of that fractional exponent, 2, becomes an exponent that could either be put right here or, hang on, out here. And that second way that I have it right now makes a lot of sense. If I put the 2 right here, that would imply that I want to do the 27 squared first. And of course, everybody knows that that's 729, but just in case you don't, let's go back then. Rather, it probably makes more sense to do the cube root of 27 first and then square that result. I think we stand a better chance of getting that answer right that way. Cube root of 27, that is going to be 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. We want to square that result and end up then with k is equal to 9. I don't know if your mathematical spidey sense tingled at all there, guys, but when we had 27, it occurred to me right away that wasn't just a random number that they chose. 27 is special because it's a perfect cube, which worked really well with that 3 there. And just to kind of verify this answer to make sure that it makes sense, everybody's pretty comfortable with the idea, I hope, that 9 to the first power is 9, and 9 to the second power, 9 squared, is going to be 81. We're saying, if I go back to the original statement now, that 9 to the 3/2 power, otherwise known as 1.5, would be 27. Well, obviously, 1.5 is in between 1 and 2, and 27 is in between 9 and 81. Now, that doesn't guarantee that we got the answer right, but if we'd gotten a number like, I don't know, 114, this would be a guarantee that the answer was wrong, because whatever we came up with right here has to be greater than 9, but less than 81. So let me get rid of all this junk that I had right there. Okay, there we go. And our answer for number 9 then is going to be k equals 9.